Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. Class, we have to start exercise 10A. We use Pythagoras theorem to solve this exercise. We have done question number 1, 2 and question number 3. In this exercise, we use Pythagoras theorem. We use right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, there are three sides. Three sides are given, and we find out the value of one side by using theorem. Okay. We also have done question number 3. This one. Today we have to start question number 4. Question number 4 is a triangle DEF is a right angle at E. This is also right angle triangle at point A. The name of triangle is DEF. Got it? The length is DE equal to 6.7 meter and the length of EF equal to 5.5 meter. Two lengths are given and we find out the other length. We find out the third length. What is the third length? DF. Got it? The triangle is given DEF. Two lengths are given. We find the third length. This is question number 4, exercise 10A. Exercise 10A, question number 4. For example, this is right angle triangle. The name of triangle is DEF. And the right angle is E. This is right angle and this is called E, 90-degree angle, DEF. This is right angle triangle. The name is DEF. Okay. Now angle in triangle DEF, angle E equal to 90 degree. This is given point. In triangle DEF, this is the symbol of triangle. This one, you know that. And angle E equal to 90 degree. Got it? And you know that DE equal to 6.7 meter and EF equal to 5.5 meter, and we find DF. We find the length of DF using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. Got it? Okay, now by this statement, DE equal to 6.7 meter, which is DE. This one is DE equal to 6.7 meter. And the length of DEF equal to 5.5. Where is EF? This one. EF equal to 5.5 meter. We find the length of DF. It means we find the length of hypotenuse. This one. We find the length of DF. We find the length of this one. We find the length of DF. We find the length of hypotenuse. DE equal to 6.7 meter and EF equal to 5.5 meter by the given statement. Got it? By using Pythagoras theorem, you know that DF, the square of hypotenuse, DF equal to the sum of square of these sides, DE square plus EF square. Got it? Now we find the length of DF. DE square. What is the value of DE? 6.7 meter square plus, and what is the length of 5.5 meter EF? Now we find out the square. We open the square of 6.7 and then 5.5 meter. Open the square of 6.7 plus and then open the square of 5.5 meter. Then the value of DF square is given. There is a problem in calculator. Okay, 6.7 square. Then we get 44.89 and 5.5 square. Then we get 30.25. Now we add this plus 44.89, then we get 75.14. Now this is square, taking square root on both sides. df whole square, this is square root, and 75.14, and this is square root. Got it? Taking square root on both sides. Now we're taking square root on both sides. The answer is 75.14. Now we take the square root of 75.14. This square cancel with square root, so that the length of df is equal to square root 75.14. Then we get 8.668 meter. This is your answer. It means the length of df equal to the length of hypotenuse equal to 8.668 meter. Got it? It's just like a question number 3. It is no difficult, very easy to understand. Now you come on question number 4. Question number 4 is same. In triangle GHI, this is triangle GHI, where GH equal to 3.3 centimeter and GI equal to 6.5 centimeter and angle H equal to 90 degree. In triangle, question number 5. In triangle, what is the name of triangle? GHI. Angle H equal to 90 degree. One angle is always 90 degree. Got it? And the other lengths are, for example, this is right angle triangle, and this is 90 degree angle, and this is called H and GHI. Got it? And other than the value of GH equal to 33 centimeter and GI equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now we find the length of HI. Okay, now we put these value in diagram. GH equal to 3.3 centimeter and GI, where is GI? This one. GI equal to 65. 3.3. This is not 3.3. Sorry, 33. 33 centimeter GH equal to and GI equal to 65 centimeter. We find the length of HI. Got it? Its mean hypotenuse, the value of hypotenuse is given by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is the value of hypotenuse? But first we write the length. The length of hypotenuse is GI का square equal to the sum of length of this side, it's mean GH square plus HI square. Now we put the value. What is the value of GI? 65 centimeter. Sorry, equal. What is the length of GH? 33 centimeter plus we find the length of HI. Now we open square. First we open square of 65 square. Then we get 4225 and then open the square of 33. Then we get 1089 plus HI square. This is add with HI. When we shift into the other side, it will be subtract. 1089 equal to HI. Now we subtract this, then we get 4225 subtract with 1089. Then we get 3136 equal to HI. This is square root. Now we open square root. Taking square root on both sides. Okay, HI whole square equal to 3136 whole, okay, square root, then square cancel with square root, you know well. Okay, now we open square root, then we get answer 3136. The answer is 56. It's mean the length of HI, this one, the length of HI equal to 56 centimeter. Got it? It's very easy, there is no any difficulty, these all questions are same. We use Pythagoras theorem to solve out these questions. Now you come on next one. This is question number 6, a triangle MNO. This is triangle. Question number 6. In triangle MNO, for example, this is triangle, the name is MNO. Okay, is right angle at N. It's mean this is 90-degree angle at point N. Got it? Angle N equal to 90 degree. It's mean this is N and this is equal to 90 degree. M N O. Other lengths also given. MO equal to 11 meter. MO equal to MO equal to 11 meter, and other sides are, sorry, NO equal to 11 meter, MO equal to 14.2, NO equal to, this is NO equal to 11 meter and MO equal to 14.5 meter. Now we find the length of MN. It's mean NO equal to, where is NO? This one is NO 11 meter and MO equal to 14.5 meter. Got it? By using Pythagoras theorem, MO whole square equal to MN square plus NO square, and put these value and find out square. After find out square, then you get answer, and thus answer in the form of square, then we open square root and get the value of MN. Now you solve it and share me. If you have any query, please mention. Got it? Thank you.